Good morning.
I'm gonna let this garbage truck
Yeah,
go
there's a
around
garbage
me.
truck behind us.
Not going anywhere.
We just took a walk, and now I'm looking, and I think that there is a woman walking. She has her dog, but she's pushing a double stroller, and she might have other dogs in the stroller.
I'm curious.
And that is something that you see a lot in Florida. Oh yeah, she did have 2 dogs, but she.
But what she got in there?
I don't know.
Looks like a twin stroller. Maybe there are kids. Oh, there's dogs.
It's a dog
It's
stroller.
it's a dog.
It's a little dog. An old dog.
What you doing? This is something new. He came and he started calling and he wanted to get out of his cage, and so I let him out. Oh, he was drying himself off in the towel. He's hiding.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Looks like he's a
Little burrito.
in a burrow.
How are you? What is that? He's squeezing out. Cornelius! Somebody walked in, I know.
What is that troublemaker?
He's been coming to the door and like standing there. He came to the door and he bowed his head because he wanted head scratches. Is he gonna do it again? Cornelius?
Oh my goodness.
What are you doing?
Trying to escape.
What are you doing? He wants a scratch. He wants a scratch.
Oh wow.
Hi. Oh. Hi. I know, there's a bird there. Oh.
I'm holding the bird.
Cornelius likes the Chattanooga Choo Choo. I am cutting an onion that is extremely strong. Usually it doesn't affect me like this. Well, I am ready to go do the callback. I'm wearing very comfortable clothing because I know they're going to have me dancing. And I'm excited, and I'm a little, I'm not saying nervous. I'm just like, I'm really assuming that I'm not going to get this part. I know everybody's going, oh, you have just as good of a chance as anybody. But I mean, I don't know anyone. We're like brand new to this group and they don't know us. And there's probably younger, more actively dancing women that will be auditioning for this, I would guess. I mean, I can dance. That I know I can do. But have I been dancing recently? Not so much. So, we'll see how it goes. Okay. First audition back. Live audition. I don't know how I feel. I'll let you know. I'm home. It was fun. Like lots of fun to go and do an in-person callback. It was really a lot of fun. And I did, overall, I feel like I did well. However, during the dance portion, we were in a fellowship hall, like in a church, and I slipped. I found a very slippery spot and I slipped and I fell. And I have never done anything like that, especially in an audition.
And I'm okay. I'm okay. I think I'll be sore tomorrow, but like I got right back up and I was gonna continue with the dance, and they stopped everything because, I fell. And so, but I'm mortified because, like, I mean, literally the last show that I did before the pandemic I was a dancing girl, and like I can dance, and yeah. I feel, oh well, I sang really well and I acted really well, and I didn't dance very well. I because I fell while we were learning it, and so then after that I would just, oh well. So I just sent them an email and I thanked them for the callback, and I apologized because my brain, like, after I slipped, I just, like, I don't know, my brain, like, just said, what's happening, So I didn't do that great. And the part that I was auditioning for, has to be able to dance. So, yeah, not gonna get it. I really don't think I'm gonna get it. And I'm sure that I was the oldest contender there. And I know everybody's like, oh, you look so young. Oh, blah. Thank you. But I was the oldest one, and I'm pretty sure that I will not be getting it. I just hope that they cast me because I totally bombed the dance. Oh my gosh. I sang really well. I acted really well.
I almost forgot to do my final clip. Yikes. So yes, my right leg is kind of sore. Just to update everyone, I'm okay.
That still looks great.
Oh, well, thank you, honey. So yeah, tomorrow I have to take Gabriel to, I have to take him to the doctor to get his physical so that we can update the work permit and everything. So yeah, that's on the schedule. And Julian has Cinderella practice again, and I will be taking him. So until tomorrow.